comedian in the city of Denver, in South Africa that I've come across. First one ever. I never knew anything. About the way I'm feeling, who hate somebody. Making people laugh. And they are living for that. Yes, Caesar. Yes. Ikakhulukazi kuthi namadoda ngoba kufanele sithukuthele sometimes ungazi sithukuthele soyini. Yabona indoda ivele ngokuphuma nje sikali vile. Yabatshela ubaba mina wengathi. Wonke ashijoki yena manje. I joke now. I showed the toilet. Then went to. We also uhleke ijoke. Ngoba ijoke ayihleke kwamwena. Angisho wami babo idlala bazami. Mina ngishaka ngoba babe. Base na right no more than sleep. This is a about dating. Ngane lo. Bizababa. Thina sasibuba. Yebo ba. Akasikhuluma amadoda okukhulu. What's the name of David? Tell us.
Sanibona bazalwane. Ninjani? Yaphila. Ingane. Ngeke sengibambe. Hey, ngiyakholwa bazalwane. Kodwa nje mangabe ngijahile, ngiyaye ngingakhonzi nani. Khonza nabelungu. Lapha emalungwini kuyashesha. Yabona nje uyaqala nengoma nje bafishana. Oh God, is an awesome God he reigns. Athi bese yathandaza Father God. We come to you in your throne of grace to ask for nothing. Nothing. Just to say thank you. We see the skies are blue. The roses bloom for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Siphelile inkonzo kuyaxhawulana kuyaphuma kanti lapha kuthina yabona umfundisi uqale nje akahambe ashone ngapha hamba bese ethi mina ngithi yehla moya Athi maye ake nithi kanje athi mina ngithi yehla moya yokugqoka amanikiniki noma ngigqoka hayi mina ngithanda lelizwi laNkulunkulu elithi eqaleni uNkulunkulu wamdala umuntu wasephefumulela umoya wakhe kuyena wasesake sakha umuntu ngomfanekiso wethu kuzenze njani asifuze kusho ukuthi njengoba silana sifuze bani sifuze uNkulunkulu wasethi have dominion kuyo yonke into kusho ukuthi wena mawubuzwa izikweletu zakho usuphumile ecebeni laNkulunkulu ngempilo yakho wathi uNkulunkulu have dominion kusho ukuthi wena mawusaxakwa indoda uhleli phansi uthi uphumile wena uphumile ecebeni laNkulunkulu ngempilo yakho wathi uNkulunkulu have dominion uma ngabe sihamba la eThekwini khona ama-vacant buildings are-abandoned kusho ukuthi siphumile ecemeni kaNkulunkulu ngoba kuze ngabe njengoba silanda ngithiwa lapha ababili noma abathathu behlangene nami ngikhona uNkulunkulu has already blessed us with i-unit angithi uyakhumbula ukuthi bathi bakumbhoshonga uNkulunkulu engakuhlelanga lokho ethe abahlakazeka wasethi ayikho into ezobahlula manje ngoba banjani bamunye wasethi awusengiphambanisa ulimi lwabo ukuze bezohlakazeka thina besihlangene kusho ukuthi uma singadecide nje kuqala u-2026 sithi hayi sifuna ukuyithenga leya building ubaba unayo i-relationship komasipala engakhuluma nabo ukuthi ibandla livele li-one nje wonke lama-buildings angenamuntu liwa-one liwa-oze sibizelwe lokho kufanele ukuthi sibhilde ilegacy ngeke silokhu sikhala manje ubandlululo kodwa kubiza ukuthi uqale wazi ukuthi wena uNkulunkulu angithi uJesu washo njalo bona wathi ayibuka nazini uNkulunkulu wenza la emhlabeni ezele ukuthi azosikhombisa bathi mangabe nicela celani sengathi lokho enikufunayo seninjani senikwamukelisiwe ucela kanjani mangabe ucela sengathi vele uba ne-excitement yakhona uba ne-excitement because uyazi vele ukuthi ubaba njengalaba abafana abathathu esithandweni somlilo babethi hayi thina sinendaba uNkulunkulu esimkhonzayo maye ethandile yena ngasikhipha babe ne-show ukuthi uNkulunkulu unalo icebo ngey'mpilo zabo so-ke nami nginokufisa okunjalo ngathi njengabantwana baNkulunkulu ake siphume manje kuleya victim mentality ake sifocuseni manje othandweni likaNkulunkulu ngey'mpilo zethu ake sifocuseni manje ekubuseni sibuze i-land of milk and honey ikhona khona la ebandleni asingafa singalindi manje ukuthi sizobe si-enjoy mina ngifuna ingubo emhlophe uyigqoka khona la ecolekile ngifuna uyigqoka la ngoba this is the only place la ngisasenyameni where I can enjoy izinto uNkulunkulu angibekele zona ngiyaxolisa Nkosi yami ngizokwenza announcement la umhla 14 February silapha ya eSun Coast yabona nje maningafika nibe kanje i-sold out leya manje mangafika nje lonke kanje i-sold out I'm celebrating 10 years ngikwi-comedy ngase ngithi-ke angibiza abazalwane ngabiza uDumi Mkhokstad ngabiza uXolo Mncwango ngabiza uJumbo ngabiza nozakwethu be-comedy ngase ngithi comedy meets gospel sizobehleka laphana sidumisa sidumisa so abazalwane ngiyabamema ukuthi no and I will be speaking English there because
English only on that day.
I'm an international superstar. Ngiyabonga bazalwane amathikithi akhona ke webticket sihlangane ngobuningi bethu ngiyabonga abazalwane ngiyabonga abantu